As the director of Attack of the Killer Refrigerator 2, my vision for the film is to create a thrilling and terrifying horror experience that pays tribute to the classic B horror movies while incorporating modern elements and twists. The idea of a seemingly innocent household object turning into a deadly predator was inspired by the shark in Jaws. The use of mostly practical effects and the theme of an unassuming killer were influenced by the shower scene in Psycho. I want to bring these classic horror elements together in a unique and memorable way, and I believe Attack of the Killer Refrigerator 2 accomplishes this. With a talented team of filmmakers and a thrilling script, I'm excited to bring this film to life. And let's say the fridge has a few tricks up its sleeve that you won't see coming. Help bring Attack of the Killer Refrigerator 2 to the big screen. There are some amazing rewards available for our backers, including signed posters, red carpet premiere tickets, and even your teenager consumed by the refrigerator. I hope you will consider supporting this and becoming part of this exciting project. Thank you for your support.